Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to discuss something that completely changed my life, and that is mastering English for career success. Before we dive in, let me tell you, English is not my first language. I spent 5 years to learn that specific language. Then I mastered in English literature. Along with that, I became a well recognized and certified content writer. Along with that, I moved to a new country. All that happened because I mastered English. When I say mastering English unlock career doors for you, I do not say it as a motivational quote. I say it as someone like me who actually entered through these doors and proved to the whole world that nothing is impossible. In today's agenda, we are gonna talk about how you can master English for career success step by step and build your new life. So to begin with, number one thing is English is just not a language, it's a tool. Most of the people they think that English is all about grammar, vocabulary, and accent. It's not the case. In today's world, English is actually a career currency. If you want to work in a tech firm, you definitely need English. If you want to freelance globally, you need English. And if you are actually dreaming of studying abroad, definitely again, you need English. And bridge between your skills and opportunities. And the good news is that you don't need to speak like a king and a queen. What you need to do is you need to be clear, concise, confident, and connected. Number two is what actually English for career success matters. Here is a twist. English is not about impressing others or sounding like natives or actually using big words. It's all about three big things. The number one is clarity in thought. Are you able to express or communicate your thoughts without any confusion? Number two is adaptability. Can you speak in a meeting? Can you write an email? Or can you switch your tone whenever needed? Number three is consistency. Can you do this on your regular basis without second guessing yourself? And English language is not all about, using big words, mastering, vocabulary, accent. It's just about three things that you actually can convey your message properly. You actually know how to deal with any situation, whether it is writing or speaking. And number three is you can actually do it without any hesitation. Number three is modern day career advantage. We are actually all on Zoom calls a day. We are actually applying for jobs across countries. We are actually on LinkedIn trying to connect with the people. We are actually using Fiverr, Upwork to write proposal and connect with the people. And the major thing is English is the medium. English actually makes you hireable, trusted, and professional. Imagine you actually post a post on LinkedIn that actually, is regarding your abilities, your skills, and it lands perfectly and someone hires you. Or even you record a video of yourself where you actually explain your portfolio or tell to the people that what type of services you provide, and you actually hook a lot of clients. So imagine that how English helped you to not only actually get clients, but also polish your skills, get money and fame. So English is all about career, modern day career advantage. Number four is how I actually learned English language the smart ways. Most of the people they actually question me that how it was possible for you to learn English language even you are not native. So I answer it very simply. The number one is you need to listen to the people. Most of the people they neglect one thing, and that is listening. Listening is actually an input and speaking is an output. Number two is you need to have someone like your friend, colleague, or even a mentor who actually helps you in understanding the English language. You can actually, practice with him. Number three is record yourself and rewatch it. I used to do this exercise a lot of times that I used to record, then I watch. Number four is it's very common that you actually stand in front of the mirror and you actually start speaking. At the end of the day, you actually come to know that which areas are your strong and which areas you actually need to work on. So the message to take home is English is not just a language, it's a tool. It's not about impressing others. If you start impressing other people, you will never ever learn. Once you actually start learning and listening to the people, this will result in, to the opportunity that as many opportunities you actually gather, the chance is very high that you are going to become not only successful in your personal life, but in your professional life as well. If you have actually started learning English language, is your first step. Never ever quit, because today you are not learning a language, you are actually building a life, and believe me, it's a superpower.